In this video, I'm going to show you how to add more languages to iPhone keyboard. That is quite simple and easy to do, so let's begin. And first, open up Settings, then tap here at General and next hit on Keyboard. Then here tap at Keyboards, and now as you can see I got 3 keyboards here. The first 2 is languages, so that's Russian and English languages, and the last one is emoji keyboard. And now I can hit right there where it says add new keyboard to add new language to my keyboards. I can use search to do that, or I can just scroll down among these languages list and select some. Let it be French. And as you can see, French language has just been added right there to my keyboards list. I can tap on that language to select the exact type of this language. And now I can open up some application that use keyboard, let it be messages, and right there I can test how it works. I can hit there on this language icon to switch between different languages, just single tap to switch to the next language. And also right there I can hold down on that icon to bring up that options, and here I can switch to language that I want. For example, now I'll hit add English to switch to English. That's how it works, guys. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like and subscribe.